Hello everybody, and welcome back. I am not dead. I am perfectly alive, and I'm going to be doing a food review, okay? Let's get this shit started, alright? Well, the first item we're gonna be cooking is Jimmy Dean breakfast biscuit sandwich. I did do a first take on this video. This was unopened. It was a pretty good unboxing video, but my dog wanted outside and kind of messed up the audio, so I guess we're just gonna have to deal with it. Yeah. Rip Pupper. I don't need this box. Fuck out. Now the second review item I'm going to be reviewing is the sausage, egg, and cheese biscotti. Now this has been opened. I have enjoyed quite a few of them already. But yeah, let's get this shit going, bruh. Look at all these preservatives, bro. Like, this shit can't be healthy, bro. Look at this shit. Like, you feel close to me right now with my hand right there? I'm gonna try to open this bitch one-handed so you guys can get a clear view of the Jimmy Dean sandwich. Now, that just looks really bad for you. Mainly because the cheese is fucking broken, bro. Like, the fuck, I don't think cheese is supposed to break. And this egg, bro, it literally looks like a disc. I don't think that's healthy. But honestly, I really like this. I really like the sausage. They make really good sausages. Now, they tell you if it's frozen to cook it. To cook it for a certain amount of time. And I don't want to do that. I've only ever... You see, on this instructions, it says, from frozen. Not copyrighted, bitch. This is in Spanish. Okay, prepare. Remove wrapper, wrap in paper towel. Heat high for a minute if frozen. And then put it in for 50 seconds, bruh. You don't need to fucking do that shit. This shit is so goddamn hot when you're done with it, bro, that you don't even need to fucking cook it for that long. I just threw some cheese away. Poor Africans, bro. They don't got cheese. Now let's do another opening of these biscuit sandwiches. Hello, it is me again, and I'm gonna try to. I don't know how people do this professionally. Straight butter, bruh. God damn it. This thing... Such a bitch, bro. You guys are gonna think it's edited. Because you didn't see it fucking open. Oh my god. This looks honestly really horrid. I don't like bacon that much. I like bacon, but it's gotta be fresh, bro. And this bacon literally looks like a fucking disgrace among... Of course, the biscuit looks... You know, this is biscuit. The cheese is welded to the egg, if you can even call it that. And then, of course, here's the bacon. It's all gooey and, like, movable. And it's supposed to be frozen. So I guess we're going to have to tell in the taste test if it's safe to consume. There you go. We got the fucking sausage cooking. And then soon we'll be on to the bacon. Now, on to the main, part of this video is the actual consumption of these sandwiches. Now, I got my camera. I don't got any, high-tech equipment. I kind of got the camera at a spot where I want it, so I'm not gonna move it. I honestly spend too much time trying to get it in the right position, trying to get things to prop it up, So I'm not gonna fucking give you guys a zoom up of the sandwiches here, but the biscuit is of course just the biscuit. Nothing special about the biscuit. And over here, the bacon looks different. It looks, doesn't look like bacon at all. I wouldn't call that bacon. I'd call that fucking flat ass fucking meat, bro. But to each your own. And over here, we got the Sosig biscuit. Now, for some reason, on these two different sandwiches, they actually made the cheese connect with the meat on this one. But on this one, they kind of just made it so that the meat was free, There's no cheese on this meat, bro. Honestly, I like it better with the cheese on the meat. I believe it enhances the flavor of whatever breakfast item you are trying to consume. This seems more of a sturdy sandwich, as in the only part of it that can fall off is the bottom, and that's it. You see, you're not gonna drop anything on this fucking sandwich. It's pretty much stuck to two different pieces, while the sausage. Watch this. You're clumsy, right, bro? You just lost your You just lost your fucking sausage, bro. It's not connected. This is a problem that America should settle. Fuck. I think I'm good. This is a problem I believe that America should fucking settle. I've lived my life too goddamn long dropping my Jimmy Dean fucking breakfast sandwiches. So this is a problem. It needs to be fixed. Why does bacon get more equality? Why can't there be equality between the sausage and the bacon? Some people might say bacon is better than sausage. Some people might say sausage is better than bacon. So why can't they all be equal? Why is this sandwich more secure than the sausage? I believe that the sausage honestly is more filling. If you look at it, it's a lot thicker. It smells like a fucking, like if you just directly smelt the McDonald's, egg McMuffin, but without the grease of the McDonald's. It doesn't have that McDonald's smell. It's got that. It's got that feel of a unique sandwich. You can tell that they're not trying to copy McDonald's here. I'm gonna eat this now. I'm gonna take one bite of each. And I'm gonna give you a complete in-depth tutorial on how to eat this. I'm gonna start with the sausage because honestly, the bacon doesn't look that appealing to me. Maybe it might be good. I have never had the bacon. I've only ever eaten the sausage, and I've actually liked it a lot. I like these sausages, but they're probably not healthy, so I'm probably not gonna eat the bacon. That bacon just looks really fucking disgusting. So I'm gonna eat this. It tastes just like how I remembered. I haven't had these in a pretty decently long time. About a week now. And it tastes, like the same. Always. I don't know how they do it. But every sandwich tastes exactly the same. Oh my god. The fizz. Let's go on to probably one of my most unexciting parts. I don't know if that's actually a word. The most scary part for me, honestly, is this bacon. I'm afraid of it. I fear circular bacon. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna tell you what I think of it. I can admit when I'm wrong, but I don't feel like I'm that wrong. You can't taste the bacon. There is no bacon. It's just a thin piece of mysterious meat that is called bacon, but all you can taste is a fucking sausage. There's not enough bacon to not sausage. God damn it. There's not enough bacon to biscuit ratio. So when you fucking bite it, you're getting pure biscuit. That's all you can taste. Maybe if I kind of like get some of the bacon off and just try the bacon by itself. Because with the sausage, you can actually taste the sausage. It's not just a cheesy biscuit with egg. And I don't like that. I mean, I like that, but why can't they do it with the bacon, bro? The fuck? Now I'm feeling like the bacon is the fucking unequal one of the two sandwiches, purely because of its uneven distribution of flavor. It's honestly probably one of the worst things I've eaten in a while. It doesn't taste real. It tastes honestly like nothing. So that's why I didn't, gag or anything, but why does a sausage have so much fucking flavor, but yet the fucking disc of bacon has none? I don't understand. I thought bacon was supposed to be very flavorful, but I didn't get that from this. Oh yeah. That good Pepsi, that good shit. That is going to be it today for the food review. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. I don't feel satisfied enough with this video. Let's fucking go. I'm fucking done, bro. I need that YouTube rev, that YouTube revenue. I'm fucking sick of it, bro.